Good morning, everybody. Well, here we are in Inverness, Florida. Here is my Florida dirt snowman. We were having 25 to 27 degree weather here. So for Florida, that is super cold. So this is what we do at the Okey-Dokey homestead. So there's Mr. Snowman. And let me walk you around and show you what our cool weather has brought in for us today. I hope everybody's doing well. Let me see if I could get over here to this field and show you. This morning for our animals, when it gets this cold, what I usually do is I give corn to the chickens, because I heard that corn keeps them warm and they get warm inside their body, so that way they stay warm and keep their temperature. And this is what it looks like in the morning out on our field. See, we have all that white crust or white crystal dew. That's about as close as we're going to get to make it look like a snowy place. So that's our Florida snow. How do you like that? See that? And I'm going to walk you over to our pond. Stays warm enough that it doesn't freeze up at all. But I'm going to pause you and I am going to walk over to the field next door over here, and I'll show you a couple of frozen spots there. So hang on one second. Let's get over there. Okay, I'm closer to the pond. Let me see if I could bring you guys up a little bit so you could see the birds there by the water on our pond. There you go. See the smoke, the steam coming off the pond? So, okie-dokie. Let me pause you and let's get over to next door to that place that I was going to show you real quick, the swamp next door. Okay, I'm back, and there you go. There's our swamp. As you can see, it has ice on the top, and that's about as cold as it's going to get with ice. And I'm going to try to bring you up a little bit, see if you could see our friends out there. There we go. There's our friends, our deers. And that's about all that's happening here at the Okey-Dokey homestead. We just got cold weather, and it's just super quiet. Alrighty, well, I hope you enjoyed this little script and the dirt on the Mr. Snowman of Inverness of the Okey-Dokey homestead. Everybody have a wonderful weekend. I can't get that bird that's flying. Everybody have a wonderful weekend. Have a blessed weekend. And I'll catch you next week. Bye-bye.